Okay, so we will learn a new sequence for the sexy flash mob routine. And papag-aralan natin siya to the tune of September because it's September. Okay, so it goes like this. Intro is Maski Pops, freestyle, step lang, or cross. Then make 4 moves. Freestyle lang yung start guide, step-step lang na gano'n, or plain march, or cross, whatever you want. And then, pagdating dun sa intro, meron tayong make 4 poses, for parang freeze poses, whatever you want to do. But basically, you can do this, 1, and then other side, 2, and then point, and then point. So, slow lang yun. So, intro lang yun. Okay? Then, yung new sequence, which is our sequence number 3 now, will be, magsa-start siya with yung close open ng legs. So, a little skip, close open, close open. So, the counting will be 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another 1, 2, 3, 4. Ganun. So, together lang yung arms and legs. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, that's the first part. Next will be snaps, finger snaps. So, with the arms, right first, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or to make the counting consistent, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So, from cross leg, and then dito, close open pala, snap, 2, 3, 4. Then, next will be a little slide. So, from here to the right, and then pump. So, ganyan lang siya. Parang 2 pumps lang yan. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 sets yun na slide. And then, after that, the next set will be, if you watch the Penthouse 7 tutorial, yung kay Ray-an Fuentes, medyo adapted siya doon. So, it starts with a little rock, double rock to the side. So, 1, 2. Okay? So, simple lang, pwedeng 1 rock, 2 rock. And then, other side naman, 1, 2. Just parang time it with the beat. So, 2 sides lang siya. 1, 2, then 3, 1, 2. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tama ba? Okay. And then next will be shuffle with the feet. Freestyle lang yan. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then wiggle, wiggle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, yan. So, yun yung next. Ginaya lang natin from Penthouse. And then a little mini travolta. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, hindi siya all the way here. Dito lang siya sa side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then from here, freeze. And count lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. So just walk around hanggang you end with 4 dito. And ready for very familiar to us. Permission to dance chorus part, the da-na-na-na-na part. So we start with 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then freestyle 1, 2, 3, 4. So usually dun sa flash mob routine, 2 sets lang yung permission to dance part. Pero when we do it with September, gawin natin siyang 4. 4 sets yung ganito. Let's do it by counting. So intro part, step, step. Then freeze. 1, 2, then point, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Snap. 2, 3, 4. Slide. 2, 3, 4. Slide. 2, 3, 4. Slide. Slide. Then rock. Hustle. Wiggle. Travolta. Freeze. Sorry, freeze. Then step. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Freestyle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Other side. Yeah. Okay. So 4 times yun. Simple music.